Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Please start your videos, everyone.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Start your videos, everyone. मेहुल बेटा तुम्हारा तो नया वाला कैमरा भी आ गया, आज स्टार्ट कर लो वीडियो.
Sir, I am within phone. Sir, I am out of station also.
You are out of station.
Yes, sir. I am in Shahabad for Raksha
हाँ.
Bandhan.
अरे वाह, very good.
कहाँ जाना है?
Keep your mics off, please. Yeah, all of you, please get ready with your books. We are doing the chapter average. Have we started average? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Yeah. Have we done the first six parts of question A? All the six parts we have done or not? We have done all the six parts of question
Yes, sir, we have done.
A. So we have to start with question B today.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, everyone, let's start with question B. Exercise 15.1. Question B, first part. Find the average of first five odd numbers. Odd numbers क्या होते हैं बेटा? Numbers which are not divisible by 2, like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and so on. So first five odd numbers, first of all. First five odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the first five odd numbers. We have to find the average of these numbers. Average is equal to, write the formula first, sum of all the observations on divided by number of observations. बेटा क्वेश्चन आप सही से पढ़ो, आपको दिखेगा. वी हैव टू फाइंड द एवरेज ऑफ फर्स्ट फाइव ऑड नंबर्स. स्टार्टिंग के जो फाइव ऑड नंबर्स होते हैं, सबसे छोटा ऑड नंबर कौन सा होता है? 1. 1, 3, 3 इज द नेक्स्ट वन. ऐसे ही पांच ऑड नंबर लिख लो, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. दीज आर द फर्स्ट फाइव ऑड नंबर्स. इन सबका एवरेज निकालना है. सो दैट मीन्स यू एड ऑल दीज, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 divided by 5. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 8, 9, 9, 9, 18. 18 plus 7 is 25. 25 upon 5 is 5. Answer. Answer is 5. Understood, all of you? Note down in the copy.
Sir, done.
Done, all of you? Done. Beta, have you all done?
Yes, sir.
Then let us start with the second question. Adrika, beta, can you read the question?
Okay, sir. The car covered 512 kilometers in 4 days. What is its average coverage per day?
Very good. So there is a car. It should be a car, not the car. A car covered. बुक में थोड़ा grammatical mistake कहेंगे इसको. It should be a car covered 512 kilometers in 4 days. एक कार है जिसने 4 days में 512 kilometers कवर किया. हमें बताना है व्हाट इज द एवरेज कवरेज. एवरेज कवरेज पर डे मतलब एक दिन में आप अगर कोई पूछेगा आपसे लगभग एक दिन में कितना कवर किया होगा कार ने. सो इट इज अ सिंपल क्वेश्चन ऑफ डिवीजन से भी हो जाएगा. आप एवरेज के कॉन्सेप्ट से भी इसको कर सकते हैं. ओके. 4 days में 512 किलोमीटर तो 1 day में कितना कवर किया होगा कार ने. कॉमन सेंस वाली बात है. यू विल डिवाइड 512 बाय 4. एम आई राइट और नॉट? राइट ऑल ऑफ यू. कार ने 4 days में, मेरी आवाज आ रही है आप लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
So the car covered 512 kilometers in 4 days. Distance covered by car in 4 days equals to 512 kilometers. You have to find average coverage per day. So that means average coverage per day का मतलब ये हुआ बेटा. Per day का मतलब मालूम है आप लोगों को? Do you know the meaning of per day?
Yes, sir. One single day.
हाँ, single day. सो एवरेज कवरेज पर डे मतलब यू हैव टू फाइंड एक दिन में कितना कवर किया होगा कार ने. ओके. ऑन एन एवरेज. सो you will divide 512 by 4. So what is the answer? 1 2 8 128 kilometers on an average. ठीक है. Maybe do the next one. You try
No,
the
sir.
third one yourself. Okay. Third one is same as the
Sir,
second
please
one.
wait. Like I am doing this one.
अच्छा ठीक है बेटा, करो करो. Mehul beta, your t-shirt's color is looking very good. It is very unique and new color. I have never seen this color before. What color is this?
It's orange color.
Orange color? Orange के नाम का भी कोई कलर होता है? मैं तो समझ रहा था कि
Yes,
ऑरेंज
sir.
सिर्फ फ्रूट्स ही होता है. एप्पल कलर भी होता होगा, फिर मैंगो कलर भी होता है.
No, sir.
चलो मैं भी मार्केट से परचेज करूंगा, वाटरमेलन कलर की टी शर्ट परचेज करूंगा।
Done.
Very good. Start doing the third one. Third is very similar to the second one. So I hope you all can do it yourself. Start doing.
Sir, I have sent the answer of the third one in the chat box.
Okay, very good. Others, please send your answer of the third one. Adrika has sent the answer. It is correct. Very good, Adrika.
Thank you, sir.
बाकी बच्चे बेटा आंसर सेंड करो थर्ड वाले का, जल्दी करो। Okay, done the third one. Everyone, tell the answer. Mehul
Sir,
has
the
also
answer
done.
is 4 kilometer per day.
Very good beta, very good, very good. Mehul has also done. Mehul बेटा excellent, कमाल कर दिया तुमने बेटा. कहाँ नानी घर गए हुए हो मेहुल अपने?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very nice. नानी घर is the best place in the world.
Yes, sir.
I also like to go to my nani ghar.
Please repeat.
I said I also like to go to my nani ghar. Seema walks 28 kilometers in 7 days. तो डिस्टेंस मैं बेटा मैं लिखूं ये क्वेश्चन करूं डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय कार की जगह सीमा आ जाएंगी बस. Okay. So let me do it here only. In 7 days. So distance covered by Seema in 4 days. In 7 days, sorry. How much? 28 kilometers. So you have to find the average distance she covered per day. So average coverage per day we निकालना है 28 upon 7, 4 kilometers. Okay. Question 4. Mehul beta, can you read the fourth question? Your T-shirt is looking very good.
Okay, sir. Sir, the
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, कोई बात नहीं.
sir, sir, the fourth question is, if the city received 22.2 centimeter, 33.4 centimeter, 0.6
0.6
centimeter, and 1.8 centimeter rainfall in 4 continuous
consecutive days.
days, then what was the average daily rainfall? What was the average?
Average daily rainfall. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good, beta Mehul. So now ये कौन से डे पर कितनी रेनफॉल हुई है? दिस इज गिवन 2.2 सेंटीमीटर रेनफॉल first day per, second day 3.4, third day 0.6 centimeters and 1.8 centimeter on the fourth day. So these are the rainfalls on the 4 days. You have to find the average rainfall. ठीक है, average daily rainfall. So average कैसे निकालते हैं? You know the formula. Sum of all the observations upon number of observations. This is the formula. Use the formula and find the average. I hope you all know the addition of decimal numbers. Decimal numbers का addition बच्चों को आता है? चलो try करो. I am giving you 2 minutes. Try it. नहीं आएगा तो I will try. I will tell. Sorry. If you will not get the answer, I will tell you. Don't worry. Try it, everyone. Have you all done the third one?
Sir, please wait.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Beta, tell me the answer. Fourth one, sorry, fourth one, not the third one. I'm sorry. Fourth one. Third तो हमने पहले ही कर ली. If the
Sir,
city
I'm
receives,
Answer is
sending.
20. Sir, answer is 20.
I'm doing it on the board. Fourth one. If the city receives this, so we have to find the average daily rainfall. Average daily rainfall was equal to, you will add 2.2 plus 3.4 plus 0.6 plus 1.8. डेसिमल नंबर्स का एडिशन आपने क्लास फोर्थ में सीखा है. Divided by, now how many observations are these? These are 4 observations. 4 दिन की rainfall है, so you will divide by 4. So how will you add? First of all, 2.2, 3.4, 0.6, 1.8. जैसे नॉर्मली नंबर्स को ऐड करते हैं वैसे ऐड करेंगे. बस एक चीज आपको ध्यान रखना है, डेसिमल जो है वो डेसिमल के नीचे ही होना चाहिए. ये सीखा था आपने क्लास 4 में. डेसिमल शुड कम बिलो द डेसिमल ओनली. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर सपोज इफ आई वांट टू ऐड 2.25 एंड 1.2, मान लो ये मुझे ऐड करना है. 2.25 में 1.2 ऐड करना है, तो 1.2 आई विल राइट लाइक दिस. डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल आना चाहिए. ओके, व्हेन यू आर एडिंग डेसिमल नंबर्स, बस. So here there is no such problem. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 14, sorry 12, 12 plus 8 20. 0 आ गया यहाँ पर, डेसिमल लग जाएगा. 2 आप कैरी कर लेंगे इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. 0 पॉइंट, यहाँ पर पॉइंट है तो पॉइंट लगा लिया. Now 2 is carried from the previous step. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8. 8.0. This becomes 8.0. 8.0 और 8 एक ही बात होती है. 0.0 अगर है लास्ट में, so that means you can remove the decimal. So 8.0 is also equal to 8. So that means this is 8 upon 4. Now 8 divided by 4 is 2. So your answer will be, the average rainfall is 2 centimeters. Centimeter. Don't forget to write the unit also. Average daily rainfall is 2 centimeters. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
The class is going to be over.
Sorry, Mehul. क्या कह रहे हो बेटा मेहुल?
I'm saying that the class is going to be over.
हाँ, नहीं नहीं, अभी there is one more exercise. 15.2.
So now, but there are 3 minutes left.
Sir, can I do the last fifth question by my own first?
Yes, all of you try the fifth one. Everyone try, start doing the fifth question. Everyone start doing the fifth one.